Hello students, good morning all of you. Today we will discuss a new topic, that is Newton's universal law of gravitation. The law which is given by the Newton, it is applicable all over the universe. So this law is referred as universal. According to this law, it states that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a definite force, and this force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the two bodies and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. It means that in the universe, in between any two objects, there must be some definite force exist, and this force are responsible for the attraction of these two bodies. So this force which is written here by F, so this force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the two bodies and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. For explanation, if we consider two bodies, so the masses of two bodies are m1 and m2 with the two masses of any two bodies, and d be the distance between the two objects. Suppose the first body and second body. The mass of the first body is m1 and the mass of the second body is m2, and small d be the distance in between the two objects. So according to this law, the gravitational force F which is given by is directly proportional. This symbol is used to represent the proportionality. So we can read it as F is directly proportional to the product, that is multiply of two masses of two bodies m1 and m2, and it is, that is, this force is inversely proportional, that is 1 upon square of the distance, that is square of the d. So this is a law, this is the universal law of gravitation. Also we can convert this law into equality relation. For the conversion of law into equality, we have to put up a constant. This constant is referred as g. So to convert this proportionality into the equality relation, we have to substitute or put the gravitation constant capital G. So the mathematical formula, it will become F equals to G m1 m2 upon t square. In many books, the distance between the two objects can also be represented by small r. By the way, it depends on wish that whether we use the small d or small r. Also, the value of capital G is constant. It cannot be changed from place to place. It remains as it is all over the world. And the value of capital G, that is gravitational constant, is capital G equal to 6.673 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Including the value, the unit of the gravitation constant is also very important. इसीलिए हमें यूनिवर्सल लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन का यूनिट और वैल्यू दोनों याद रखनी पड़ती है. तो इस तरीके से हमने ये देखा कि यूनिवर्सल लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन ये एक यूनिवर्सल लॉ है जो कि इस यूनिवर्स में, इस ब्रह्मांड में मौजूद हर दो ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में अप्लाई होता है. और इस लॉ के अनुसार हम यदि देखें तो हर दो ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में कुछ ना कुछ फोर्स होता ही है, और वो फोर्स डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है प्रोडक्ट यानी मल्टीप्लाई ऑफ टू मासेस, एंड इट इज आल्सो इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल मीन्स यहाँ 1 अपॉन टर्म यहाँ 1 अपॉन में लिखी जाती है, 1 अपॉन स्क्वायर ऑफ द डिस्टेंस. आपने यदि आर लिया है तो आप इसको आर ले सकते हैं. और साथ ही साथ इस लॉ को आप मैथमेटिकल रिलेशन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, इक्वालिटी के लिए, आप यहाँ ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट जो कि हमने यहाँ कैपिटल जी यूज़ किया है, जिसकी अपनी एक वैल्यू है, हमें ये रिलेशन यूज़ करना पड़ता है. तो जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कैपिटल जी की वैल्यू 6.673 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 11 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर केजी स्क्वायर। यह लिखा गया यूनिट ऐसा यूनिट में है, इस बात का हमें ध्यान रखना है। थैंक यू।